Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make two crafts out of newspaper. So let's get started with the first one, which is a hanging planter. For this I'm using newspaper, as I said, tearing into small pieces. Then taking Fevicol. If you want, you can take any other glue which can be added with water. Here I am mixing 1 portion of glue with 2 portion of water, which means 2 times the amount of glue. I am applying it using a brush for a clear application. Else you can put a polythene sheet under the bowl so as to keep the surface clean, thereby dipping the paper directly into the solution and applying onto the bowl. As you could see, I'm sticking on a different direction. First of all, I'm going vertically, and then over it I'm going horizontally so as to keep the bowl strong and sturdy. Once it is allowed to dry overnight, you will be able to remove it from the bowl by just scraping off the edges and then sliding down. I'm trimming down the raw edges and applying acrylic paint over it. For my requirement, I would like to keep the color combination very minimal and same as my wall color to enhance the green leaves which I'm going to add later. Also, with the design and the color and the shape, I'm going very organic, and so it need not to be perfect. And to keep it organically designed, I'm only coating down the base and not around the mouth area of the bowl. Then I'm poking a hole through which we can hang the woolen threads. If you are making a 6 or 7 layer bowl, then it will be still more stronger, and so you can use it for some other purpose as well. As mine is only 3 layer or 4 layer strong, I cannot place a real plant in it, and so I'm decorating with the fake leaves. So here is the finished home decor, which is a hanging planter using fake leaves. If you like this idea, please give it a thumbs up. We'll move on to the next craft, which is a coaster. I'm using a paintbrush to roll the paper here. You can use anything which is a round shaped, not a flat shaped. As I'm going over, when I'm reaching the edges, I'm pulling off the brush to extend the roll. I'm sealing it off with Fevicol or any other glue can be used. Once it is done, I'm pressing down from the middle to the end. I'm rolling the flattened tubes into a big roll. I'm pressing it down to make it still more curvy to roll in. To extend the tubes, I'm inserting one into the other by applying Fevicol in it. So we are done with our roll. I'm using an acrylic sheet, also called as OHP sheet or a plastic sheet. I'm marking the size of the coaster and cutting it down. I'm painting it down with an abstract shapes, not in a perfect manner. and coating the edges in gold color. I have applied Fevicol or any other transparent glue can be used. Make sure to place the acrylic sheet once the paints are dried and dried overnight by placing a heavy object. This was not intended to be a mouse pad, and so the size is small. In case you want it to be a mouse pad, you can very well extend the roll. If you like these two ideas, then please give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Until then, bye.